The monkeys are smiling because we're going to be cooking up something good here at Junk Monkey Kitchen. Woohoo! Life is beautiful, isn't it? Hey guys, it is Sonia and welcome back to our channel. Of course, our channel here is called the Keto Loving Creative. I am a painter, somebody who loves to get my hands into some creative therapy, and I am married to a chef. So this is where worlds collide and we do some DIYs around the shop, you know, household type DIYs, but also right here in the kitchen. Today, Matt is gonna show us how to put together a delicious, yummy chicken soup. So right now we're gonna pick out where we left off with making a stock and pulling out some veg.
So we had the chicken here, we took the breast off, took the skin off. Now we're gonna make a stock. So we're gonna take our little buddy here, and we're gonna take him, put him in the pot here, like so. So remember those onions from the other day that we did? Well, this is what we're gonna do with them. So I just take these and I just rough cut these. I like the green onions, not only because I have them on hand and I need to use them up, but they also have a really strong onion flavor. Throw that in there, right? And, you know, usually a stock is seasoned, but I've never worked in a kitchen where we didn't at least try to season our stock a little bit. So I just took a couple carrots, rough chopped them. I don't even worry about skinning them. And they go right in here. So then I just throw those in there. And lastly, we're gonna take a couple stalks of celery. I know they say carrots not keto, but in the stock it is. And if you don't eat like a lot of carrots, it won't hurt you. So when I was working in a professional kitchen, I would have a 10-gallon stock pot. I'd stick on a thing and I'd fill it with bones and celery and all this stuff, and I'd turn it on low and I'd leave it cooked down overnight. So we're gonna put this on here and we're gonna turn it on about a little less than medium heat to get it going, and then it's gonna simmer for the next few hours. It's the next day. We pulled out our stock that we were working on. Notice all the fat. We're not gonna do anything with fat, but notice underneath as I pulled away this kind of gelatinous consistency that's in it. That is all your collagen. That is all your good stuff that's good for your skin and your bones and your joints and everything else. And that is what they're trying to capitalize when they say bone broth. Stock is made with a mirepoix of celery, onions, and carrots, and chicken bones or bones of any sort with very little meat. However, we did the whole chicken, got all the flavor in here, and there's no seasoning. Now, broth is seasoned and is usually made with meat, but no bone. So a bone broth at a big company is usually always made, broths are always usually made with leftovers, and there is bone in it. So it's kind of a misnomer just to get you to buy certain things, but it's even easier if you just buy it yourself. So I put the stove on medium to start melting this all down. I'm not taking out the fat because we need that fat. So what I am going to do is I'm going to break out this chicken from the other day that we cooked off. And I'm going to take all this beautiful meat and pull it off. And I'm not going to worry about cutting it up or anything like that. We're just going to put chunks of meat in there. So we got quite a bit of chicken in here. Now we're going to work on veg. We are back.
Did you steal Frosty's nose?
Yes. What we're doing is we're going to cut up this veg here to put in the soup. So we're reintroducing this stuff.
What is it with celery, onion, and carrot that makes like the perfect?
It's called a mirepoix. It's complementary flavors.
Is it a trinity I've heard it called as well?
It's called the trinity. It's because of their aromatic quality and also complementary flavors. I'm going to put some shrooms in there. And the third life of this dinosaur egg.
Oh, it's like it keeps on
It
going.
keeps on going. You can just keep peeling it. Like this got a little cold.
Kid you
last
not.
night,
Like
see?
we've used it this week for a vlog on egg rolls. We've used it for the wrap.
Right?
The wrap for the
But
chicken
I
salad.
today
Now it
is-
lives on and
Today is the last day. So what I'm gonna do
that's
is.
it. We are those people that will use up, the ingredients that you have in your fridge, right?
Yep, absolutely. So all I'm doing is just cutting this in half.
Okay.
Like so.
Yep.
See, check it out. Look how many more layers you have. You could like use this thing for years. Don't do that. And this does not taste like strong like cabbage. Sonia will tell you it's a very light feel. So this is all heating up. So we're taking all this veg. I know these look like meatballs, but they're not. They're actually a flaxseed dumpling that I was working on. So they're neutral in flavor, so they're going to take on anything that I do. But the mouthfeel is a little bit more textured.
So Matt wants me to try these in his chicken
soup.
soup today.
So
And if they work out well, we're going to do a vlog with the recipe for these. I can't wait to try them.
absolutely. So what I'm going to do is.
I think it's because sometimes when we're on keto, we miss that like feeling of being full when you eat.
Well,
something that's
it's
ready.
comfort food, right?
Matt, for somebody who doesn't have the recipe right now, they're like, okay, well, what can I use? Give them some ideas.
For like a dumpling or a noodle.
A noodle of some sort, yeah.
The shirataki noodles.
These are like bags of mushroom noodles that you could already get.
And they just look like
You can
noodles.
find them at like even Walmart's or your grocery stores and things. They're
in
becoming
water.
really big.
Yeah, they're in water. You want to make sure that you.
Mushroom has a really nice like meat feel to it, so
Right.
that could be great. And if you're like somebody's like, don't want me no mushrooms, then you know what? Use
If they had
sliced zucchini maybe.
I'll be honest with you, and you know this. If they had shirataki noodles, they would just think they're having ramen noodles.
Yeah, they would. Because we've had them.
There's no.
They're
flavor.
delicious.
Zucchini noodles, I would actually do them into like sticks, like batonettes, like 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch.
All right, I'm excited because Matt's gonna season up this pot of goodness. All right, so we got some. What is this?
Pepper, yeah, it's pepper because this is unseasoned. When we made the stock, I used very little salt, so it tastes beautiful. It just has no spice to it, no salt, no pepper. Well, that's pretty much it. But you know me, I love creamy soup, right? Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna make this a cream soup.
So he's taste testing, seasoning as he goes.
Yes, taste as you go. Have yourself a menagerie of clean tasting spoons, and always taste as you go, because nobody knows what your soup is going to be like if they don't taste it until you serve it. All we're going to do to make this cream soup, heavy whipping cream, boom. I want a little bit more in there because I want a little bit more of that creaminess. So as you cook this down and reduce it, the thicker it will actually get because of the heavy cream that you're adding into it.
What size are these?
These are just a half pint, 1 cups, half pints. This is cooked down. If you want it thicker, you can continue to cook it down. But you can see that chicken is beautiful and broken down, and it looks like chicken corn chowder.
Real life. Time to sample. Cannot find a spoon to save my life here at the Junk Monkey Kitchen. I feel a Wally World trip coming on. Let me just say that. So, fork or monkey, teaspoon, cooker upper,
That's a tablespoon.
tablespoon. Which would you pick, right?
Tablespoon.
I like this. I can grab all those wonderful dumplings and chicken, but I think I'm going to lose some broth. So I think I'm going to opt with this one.
Yeah.
Real life, people. Real life. Ooh, I'm excited. Look at that. All right, so while waiting to find a spoon, it cooled down a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and take a sampling. Mmm. Oh my gosh, Matt, this is so good. Oh, I love the creaminess.
Try a dumpling.
All right.
Is that a dumpling?
This is a dumpling. We're going to taste test the Matt's experiment here.
I'm just happy it stayed together. Usually they...
Oh, yeah.
How's the mouth feel on it?
They're delicious. It's just creamy, yummy. It's honestly, it just tastes like regular chicken noodle soup, like chicken dumpling soup. You know what I mean? That you would have. but so good because it's homemade.
Right.
I highly recommend. Woohoo! Well, this was definitely a win. I love it, and we have lots left over, so I'll be having chicken noodle soup. Can you freeze this as well?
Yeah.
Like, can you save this for later?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, good, because I don't want to waste
There's
any of
a
this.
ton of it.
Okay, I switched up for the fork. Oh yeah, maybe because it's so creamy, actually the fork works quite nice.
What was that? The old '80s chunky commercials. The soup you can eat with a fork, or the soup you eat like a meal, or something like that. The soup you can eat like with a fork, I think.
So good. Okay, winner.
We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Guys, that was amazing. Definitely a staple that you need if you're doing keto to help get you through, especially the chilly winter season. But I feel like soup's good when you're sick, just to have soup. Everybody loves
You know me,
soup,
I
right?
would eat soup 365 days a year.
I know, soup is so good. Soup's so good. Soup's on. All right, so this is the part of the video where, as part of Vlogmas, we're doing 25 giveaways all the way up till Christmas.
Stencil.
Yes. Yesterday, I'm trying to see if I still have it here. I think I have it in my studio. No worries. It is a stencil, one of my favorite ones. I have this one in my stencil book, and I put it up for grabs yesterday and said somebody who subscribes to my channel, likes this video, leaves me a comment below. Pretty easy peasy, right? Will win as well. We'll be twinning matching stencils, and this is like French style.
Gâteau, which is your cupcakes, your little cakes.
Okay, so the winner 6 hours ago, Katie Vogel. Our girl Katie, woohoo! Congratulations, girl. I'm sending you tons of love to the screen right now. I'm thinking of you. She says, I heart. That's pretty serious. That's pretty serious. A good chicken salad.
That's almost stalker level.
She says, it's making my mouth water, and with winter coming, and I live in central Ohio, it can be super cold here. She says, would you do a warm chicken salad? Is that a thing?
Yeah, you could do a warm chicken
Right?
salad. Yeah, absolutely.
Matt always thinks that I'm weird because maybe it's because I grew up in Canada in a cold climate, so a lot of even our potato salads, mustard salads, we warm them up, right? Like you make them, you mash the potatoes and you season them and you eat them while they're still warm.
That's kind of the odd thing about the Southern Germans, like the Alpine Germans. We love cold salads for whatever reason, and we'll eat cold potato salad and stuff like that.
But I will take warm potato salad
in the
anytime.
wintertime. But they're the warm bacon apple potato salad. That has to be warm though.
Bacon apple potato salad.
You've had it at Hofbrauhaus.
Now we can only find keto potatoes. There's a challenge.
You've had it at Hofbrauhaus.
Yeah, but I'm talking about keto style. Matt, get on that, will you, Matt?
Challenge.
Keto potato.
Challenge accepted.
No carb potato. Man, tell ya.
Challenge accepted.
So yes to a warm chicken salad, and I love all the toppings that you guys suggested as well below. That was pretty cool to read through all of those. They were amazing suggestions, just to show you that when everybody puts their head together, the ideas are limitless. So Katie girl, you know that deal. You have 24 hours as of the timestamp of this video when it's published here on YouTube to respond back and claim that stencil. All you have to do is email me at junkmonkeypaint@gmail.com. Put winner in the subject line, please, so I don't miss your email, and I will be able to respond back to you. So you have 24 hours to respond, and time starts now. So up for grabs today, I thought, why not do some more banana bucks, right? We'd like to toss it up a little bit, and when we do banana bucks, you guys get to pick what you want to put in your cart, whether it's the Monkey Shine, whether it's Chippy Hippie, whether it's milk paint, whether it's chalky style paint, we leave that part up to you. So for today, we are putting out $20 in banana bucks to be used online at our website at junkmonkeypaint.com. You know what you have to do. Just in case you forgot, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave me a comment below. Your question for today is, what is your favorite soup memory? Whether it's, you're out snowmobiling or out sledding and coming inside. Maybe it was something that one of your loved ones made for you. Maybe you just think about the cozy days inside when it gets chilly outside and you sit around with your family inside where it's warm and toasty in the chilly months and just enjoy a nice spoonful of soup. So I want to know, what is your favorite soup memory? I cannot positively wait to see what you guys all write below, because we're all different and we all have different experiences and backgrounds, so this ought to be interesting. So with that, guys, I'm going to clue up the vlog for today. Thank you for joining us on another day, and we will be back tomorrow with more fun and goodness and DIYs, and who knows what we'll get into. All right, see you then. Bye.